Come in.
Faulkner, huh? We'll make a Southerner of you yet.
Huh. You would love that, I'm sure.
Oh, I haven't read this in so long. Weren't we assigned this in third form English? That's probably why I hated Faulkner for so long.
Well, once you get past the stream of consciousness, it's actually quite pleasant. What's the bat for?
Oh, this old thing? It's my daddy's. It belonged to someone famous, but he won't tell us who. He told me never to touch it, but I figured with company here.
Oh, very cool.
You didn't even look at it.
Right. Sorry. I keep thinking that I see things around here. This place gets very strange at night.
Well, it's an old house, and you're probably very tired from your trip, so I'll let you have some rest.
Make sure you tell your father thank you again for letting me stay here.
Yeah, don't mention it. It's nice to have visitors around, especially with everything that's been going on.
Well, hey, why don't we try to get a name out of your father over breakfast? Maybe talk some more Faulkner.
Definitely. By the way, you may want to close those blinds. That window faces east, and the sun will really come in the morning.
Right. I'll remember that.
Good night.
There you are. I was just about to send the maid to fetch you.
I appreciate the thought.
So how was the ride from Jackson?
Long, but I'm glad I made the trip. Thank you again, by the way, for letting me stay here.
Well, you're welcome. You're always welcome here, especially given your situation.
Well, I promise to be out of your hair before you know it.
Morning, young lady. Come sit. We're just getting started. Have you met this gentleman over here? Your uncle's friend? He just drove in last night from Jackson?
It's nice to meet you.
Hi.
She looks nothing like her father.
You're thinking of the wrong parent. This is my daughter's child.
Huh, I didn't realize there was another sibling.
Not many do.
Does she live around here?
No, she's long gone.
She's passed away.
No, maybe I didn't phrase that properly. The last I heard from her, she was in Nashville. But she's a bit of a nomad, and I'm not certain if she's still there or not.
She isn't.
You seem quite certain.
I know it.
I'm sure you do, honey.
Ma'am? Ma'am? need help!
What? What's happened?
There's someone in the water!
Well, they're not there now.
I just don't understand.
So what happened?
There was a girl in the water. She was passed out, maybe even dead. I don't know.
Don't worry. People around here certainly know a thing or two about swimming.
No, you don't understand. It wasn't... She wasn't. The girl must have...
Listen, I don't know what you think you saw, but debris floats around in here all the time, and the light plays tricks on your eyes.
We need to go tell...
We don't need to tell anyone a damned thing. This is a small town, and word travels fast. This family has a reputation to keep up, and we don't want anyone telling any kind of ridiculous fibs about waterlogged corpses. It's in your best interest to keep your mouth shut, because you may not like what you find.
This door was supposed to be locked.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to... Look, I should be getting back to bed now.
You're probably curious, aren't you?
This was a room, wasn't it?
Yeah, we locked it up all those years ago. After she passed, Daddy couldn't bring himself to come in here.
Passed? I thought she was in Nashville.
It's less painful for her daughter.
This may be overstepping my bounds, but may I ask?
Pneumonia. Did her in quickly. I guess she didn't have the constitution for that sort of thing.
I hate to pry, but was she blonde? A tall blonde. Is that what she looked like?
Why do you ask?
I saw something in the pool today.
It's time for us all to get some sleep.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have brought that up.
I say go to bed.
Hello?
Hey,
Where are you going?
I have to go home. I can't stay here anymore.
Does my uncle know you're leaving?
No.
Were your blinds open? I've seen her too. My mother.
Your mother?
She's still here.
Hello?
It's her.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Help me. Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
I didn't realize there was another sibling.
Not many do.
Pneumonia. Get her in quickly.
This family has a reputation to keep up. We don't want anyone telling any kind of ridiculous fibs about waterlogged horses.